Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christy and Yes We Can. Let's learn Rattlesnake Kiss by Madison Glover. 4 walls, 32 counts, no tags, no restarts. Here's a preview of the 32 steps from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a chug, quarter turn, and a chug, quarter turn, and a step, lock, step, scuff, rocking chair, and a quarter pivot, cross step, and a hook, and a quarter turn, and a hook, and a step, sweep, and a cross, side, behind, side, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Yes. Let's learn it. The first 8. The chug turns, that's what she calls them. They're so cute. So it's a push your hips out and push out with your right and come back. Push out with your right and come back. And we flick our hands, flick at the hip level to give it some styling. So it's chug and a chug. And they're quarter turns. So we start over our left shoulder, the right foot going out in front. So right to 9 o'clock, right to 6 o'clock. So 2 quarters because you're making a half. So we do our chug with the hands and our chug with our hands and a step, lock, step, scuff. Good. And the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Second 8, rocking chair with our left foot. So rock forward, rock back. Now we're going to do a quarter turn over our right shoulder, pivoting with our left foot. Pivot, step, cross, side. Now we're facing our 9 o'clock wall. So second 8 starts with the left foot, because we just did a scuff with our left, so it's ready. Rocking chair and step, quarter pivot, cross, side. All your weight should be on your right foot. And the counts are, or scuff, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's put the first 2 together. Our chugs and our lock and our rocking chair. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a chug, and a chug, and a step, lock, step, scuff, and a rocking chair, and a step, quarter pivot, cross, side. Perfect. We're facing this wall. All the weight's on our right. So we do the hook steps. I think they're really fun. So we go back with our left, hook with our right, then we step forward, do a quarter turn, back to our home wall, 12 o'clock wall, quarter turn, go back with our right, hook with our left, step with our left, and sweep or brush with your right. So we just did our rocking chair and quarter pivot, step, cross, go back, hook, step, step, back, hook, step, brush. Brush or sweep. My boots are sticking, so I may just sweep it instead of brush it. So let's try that. So we did our pivot, turn, cross, step. We go back, hook our right. Then we step, turn a quarter, go back. Now we hook our left, step, and brush or sweep our right. Sweep, sweep. One more time. Just did our cross step. So left, right, right, left, right, left, step, sweep or brush. Sweep. Sweep it, unless your boot sticks. And the counts are 1, hook 2, step 3, turn 4, go back, hook, step, sweep. That wasn't the counts, was it? Did cross step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Then, moving on, the last 8, the fourth 8, is a weave to our left. We do cross, right, step left, behind right. Now we do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping to the 9 o'clock wall. Then we do a half pivot over our left shoulder again, stepping forward with our right, stepping on our left, and then 2 walks. So it looks like this. We just did our hook, sweep. So we cross, we weave, front, side, back, quarter, pivot, turn, walk, walk. Yes. Just did our sweep or our brush, whatever your boots will let you do. We do a weave to the left, weave, 2, 3, 4, pivot, turn, step, step. Yes. And the counts. From the top on the last 8, start with our right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. The last 2 counts of 8. Start here. Start with our hooks. 5, 6, put them together, our last 2 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hook, step, 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 hook, step, brush or sweep, cross, side, behind, quarter, pivot, half, walk, walk. Perfect. With counts. Where were we? With counts. Oh, 1 hook, 2 step, 3, 4, 5 hook, 6 step, 7 sweep, 8. Weave, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. You put it all together. Starting with our chugs. From the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a chug with the flick. And a chug with the flick. And a step, lock, step, scuff, rock, keen, chair, quarter, pivot, step, go back, hook, turn, a quarter, go back, hook, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, pivot, turn, walk, walk. Yes. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a chug, and a chug, and a step, lock, step, scuff, rock, keen, chair, quarter, pivot, cross, step, go back, hook, step, turn, go back, hook, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, quarter, pivot, walk, walk. New wall, 3 o'clock wall. All right, with counts. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fun, huh? Let's try this wall with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got it. Rattlesnake kiss. Have fun. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Have a great day. You deserve it. Bye.